So this is how you can connect your WhatsApp to Zaapi. So you want to go to Settings, Integrations, and then click on WhatsApp. Is where you can submit a request form that will look something like this. Once you click on that request form, it should fill in the information from your Zaapi account. You can go ahead and fill in the rest of the information here about your business. This question here is vital. Meta Business Verification Status. What this is not the blue tick in the WhatsApp app that anybody can purchase, but this is your WhatsApp verification status on Meta Business Portfolio. So the way you can find this out about your account is you can Google Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Portfolio, which will take you to this page here. You can log into your Meta Business account. It should take you to the home page that looks something like this. This is my example account. You want to scroll down and find where it says WhatsApp account. And you want to go into the WhatsApp account that you desire to connect to Zaapi. And this is the most important part right here where it says business verification. So the status in my example account here is in progress. This needs to be approved in order to connect to Zaapi, and it will show in green. Okay. If it's not, and if you haven't verified it yet, what you can do is just click Start Verification, which will take you to a page that looks like this, the Security Center. You want to scroll down to the business verification. On my example account, I've already submitted there's already a pending submission here. That's why it says continue. But if you've never submitted, it will probably have a button here that says Start Verification. And once that is verified, then you can connect to Zaapi. There's two things to keep track of here in Zaapi. There is integrating your account, which is this one here. Business verification needs to be green. Then there is sending WhatsApp broadcasts, which this requires your account to have an approved status. If your account status drops to orange, or it is in warning or in red, you will no longer be able to send WhatsApp broadcasting on Zaapi until you get the account back up to green. This is to ensure compliance with WhatsApp's policies in keeping a healthy ecosystem within WhatsApp. That's their own requirement, and we need to be compliant with that. Below, I'm going to drop a link to WhatsApp policies here, WhatsApp business messaging policy. Here is a guideline on how to keep your account quality in the green. Also, there's a list of prohibited businesses types here that we cannot allow to connect to Zaapi. So if you fall into any of these categories, according to WhatsApp, they do not allow you to connect with a business partner platform like Zaapi and send broadcasts and receive messages. Hopefully this covers everything, and look forward to seeing you guys here in Zaapi.